Welcome to day 1 of our 5-day English speaking challenge. This is your journey to becoming a fluent, confident English speaker. In this challenge, we'll use a powerful method called shadowing to boost your fluency, improve your pronunciation, and train your brain to think in English. Are you ready? Let's begin.
Section 1. What is shadowing? Shadowing is a technique where you listen to a native speaker and repeat what they say immediately, like a shadow. You don't pause, you don't translate, you speak at the same time. It trains your brain and mouth to work together in real time, just like native speakers do. Listen, repeat immediately. Match speed and tone. No pausing, no translating. Section 2. Warm-up. Voiceover. Before we start shadowing, let's warm up your mouth and voice. Repeat after me, slowly and clearly. I am ready to speak English. I believe in myself. I am improving every day. Speaking English is fun. Fluency is coming to me. Pause after each for listener to repeat. Section 3. Shadowing practice. Basic conversation. Voiceover. Now, let's begin shadowing. I will speak a sentence. Your goal is to repeat it with me, not after me. Ready? Let's go. Conversation. Shadow with me. 1. Hi there. How are you today? 2. I'm doing great, thank you. 3. What are you up to? 4. I'm just relaxing and enjoying the day. 5. That sounds nice. Did you sleep well last night? 6. Yes, I slept like a baby. 7. What are your plans for today? 8. I'm going to study English and maybe watch a movie. 9. That sounds like a productive day. 10. Yes, I'm excited to learn something new. Great job. If you couldn't keep up, don't worry. Just rewind and try again. That's the power of shadowing. Repetition makes you fluent. Section 4. Vocabulary practice with shadowing. Let's learn and shadow 5 useful phrases. Repeat them exactly with me. Match my speed and tone. Phrase practice. 1. Can you help me with this? 2. I don't understand what you mean. 3. That's a great idea. 4. Let me think about it. 5. I really appreciate your help. Repeat this section 3 times today to build muscle memory. Don't just say the words, feel the conversation. Section 5. Shadowing a short story. Beginner level. Now let's shadow a simple story. Listen carefully and speak with me. Don't worry about understanding every word. Just focus on fluency. Story. A simple morning. Every morning, Sarah wakes up at 6 a.m. She brushes her teeth and takes a shower. Then she drinks a cup of coffee and eats some toast. After breakfast, she goes to work. She enjoys her job because she helps people. At 5 p.m., she finishes work and returns home. In the evening, she relaxes and watches her favorite show. Before bed, she reads a book. Then she sleeps peacefully. Well done! You just shadowed an entire short story. Repeat this story once more today. With practice, your fluency will grow.
Section 7. Daily affirmation. Let's end today's session with a powerful affirmation. Say it with me. I am confident. I am improving. I speak English with ease. Pause and repeat 2 times. Section 8. Homework for day 1. Homework time. Today's task. 1. Shadow the conversation 3 times. 2. Shadow the short story 2 times. 3. Record yourself speaking and listen to your pronunciation. 4. Speak with a mirror for 5 minutes in English. Congratulations! You've completed day 1 of the 5-day English speaking challenge. Remember, fluency is not about perfection, it's about practice. Come back tomorrow for day 2, where we'll dive deeper into natural conversations. Until then, keep speaking, keep learning, and believe in yourself.